1. We use the present perfect simple to talk about actions that started in the past and haven't finished yet. Example: John has started his job since 2015. He still does his job at present. 2. To talk about past and current experiences. Example: Michael has never played squash. 3. To talk about what the subject has achieved till present. Example: Sandra has learned to speak French. She can speak French now. 4. To talk about expected events. Example: The plane hasn't arrived yet. 5. To talk about actions that have been done in the recent past and have current effects. Example: Carol has eaten a lot of food, so she feels very full. Current effects come in the present simple tense.